Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to create a FastApp, then presentation view and pages. So FastApp are used to create the applications. Then presentation views are used to display the data onto the UI, and pages are used to create the menu bar for the application and attaching the presentation views to it. So for creating a FastApp, click on the FastApps, then click on the new option. It will open the dialog box for creating a new application. Then give the name to your application. So I am giving customer name. You can also give the description and add the icon to your application. Then click on the save. So the customer FastApp is created successfully, and by default it creates two pages. First one is the home page and the work page. Then click on close. Now we will see how to create a presentation view to display the master records of person. Click on the new. Give the name to your presentation view. So I'm giving customer records. Then choose the person entity. Click on OK. Then choose the columns that you want to display onto the UI. So I'm selecting full name, source email, source phone, and its publisher. Then click on the filters option. So this filter option is used to filter the data. So I only want to display the master record of person. Then from attribute, I will select the match status attribute. Select the operator to equal and choose the value to 10, means the golden record. We can also sort the columns and the information. Then click on the options. Keep the default values as is. Then click on the save and close option. Now we have created the FastApp, we have created the presentation view. Now we will attach this presentation view to our FastApp. Then again go to FastApp, edit our customer app. In the click on the pages section and click on the new. Select any layout. Then give the name to our page. So we want to give the name customer info. Then click on this plus attribute and choose the entity grid option from here. Then choose our person entity and choose the presentation view we have created earlier. So we have created customer records presentation view. Select that and click on the save and close option. So now we have added the page to our application. Now create a menu bar for displaying the customer information. Click on edit. Click on add. Give the name to our menu bar, customer info. And choose the page we have created earlier. So we have created customer info page. Select that. Then click on save. Then click on close. So now we have successfully created the FastApp presentation view and the menu bar for displaying the customer master records. Then go to the UI, refresh the portal. And as you can see, our customer application is successfully created. Click on it. Our customer info menu bar is also successfully created. Click on it. And it successfully display the master records of the customer. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next video.